There's nothing quite like the smell of freshly baked bread wafting through your home in the morning. And with this breakfast bun recipe, you can bring the taste of Germany right to your brunch table in less than an hour. These warm, crispy rolls are the perfect way to start your day off on a delicious note. So put on your apron and roll up your sleeves. Let's get baking. Welcome to New Ellen Kitchen. My name is Ava, and today I will show you how to make quick and easy breakfast buns that are sure to impress your family and brunch guests. Start by adding the yeast into warm milk and stir to combine. Add the sugar and set aside for 10 minutes. Sift the wheat flour. Add the spelt flour. Add the malt. Add the salt and add the butter. Begin combining the ingredients with the electronic mixer and then add the milk yeast mixture. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. Knead the dough an additional 5 to 10 minutes by hand. The dough will be properly kneaded when it's stretchy and will not tear. Shape it into a ball and cover the dough to rest for 30 to 45 minutes. After the rest, give the dough a quick knead and then divide it into even pieces of around 100 grams each. When the dough is divided, shape evenly sized dough balls by folding the dough and pushing it into the bottom of the ball. Then, place the dough balls smooth side down onto your work surface. When you shaped all the dough pieces, set them onto a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper. Cover them with a kitchen towel. Let the dough rest for another 15 to 20 minutes. When you continue, gently shape the dough into oblong shapes and close the seam on the bottom. Place them onto the baking sheet. Slice the buns lengthwise with a very sharp knife. Mist the dough with water and place them into the oven immediately. Bake them for 12 to 15 minutes. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed baking with me today and will delight your loved ones with the buns. If you enjoyed the recipe, please help the channel grow by giving the video a like, and if you want to come along for the ride and see more recipes in the future, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.